Welcome back, everybody. We have one last really healthy but fun, delicious recipe. I am a huge lover of tuna salad, and Carlin's here from Weiler Academy. She also is a big lover of tuna salad, but we're going to make it healthy. There is no mayonnaise here. Still got a lot of great flavor, and it's something that I think we all have a few cans of tuna in our pantry that need using, or I always keep it, in my pantry for a last minute, dish. So I'm excited to learn a new way to fix it.
Great. So we are going to take, so we opened these and drained them. I always buy the tuna that's in water.
Me too.
Okay, and then just drain it. And then we just put it in the bowl.
And all tuna is not created equal. I splurge and get a little bit more expensive and get the all white albacore tuna. I think it makes all the difference in the world. You can see it's thicker, kind of chunkier, and it's just the better quality.
That's just the whole fillet. I think this is a great tuna. Okay, and then we just need to pull that apart with a fork.
Okay.
So just kind of break it up.
I can do that. And this, we're making a crunchy tuna salad. So it's going to have, a lot of great crunch, a lot going on, a lot of great flavor, but still going to be really healthy.
Yeah, so then you just take carrots, and I'll just kind of cut them a little bit here, and we're going to throw them into the food processor.
Okay. I never buy those peeled baby carrots anymore. I'm a big believer of just buying the full carrots, peeling them or washing them really well, chunking them up. They have so much more flavor.
And they're so good. Sad to waste all that goodness.
Yep.
Okay, and then same thing here, just kind of cut it into little chunks. And
so some celery.
Some celery.
I don't think I ever made a tuna salad that didn't like a little celery.
Yeah.
I go heavy on the celery, why not?
I always throw everything in.
You even put the leaves in there.
Yeah.
Okay, love it.
Throw it all in, just like this. And I just always have this little one because it's
easy to clean.
And it's a serving. So whatever fits in there, and then I chop. So I pulse it because you don't want it, you want it to be chunky.
I never think of using my food processor to finally chop up, celery and carrots. But look how easy that was. I mean, that was easy.
And it's so easy. And then you just take that and just dump it in. Oops.
So you can see all the vegetables. So we've got tuna, but we've got tons of vegetables. And I think, when you're trying to watch what you're eating and eat more healthy, and you want to be filled up, tons of vegetables is the way to go, don't you think?
And it's just so easy, and it keeps forever, and it doesn't get runny. And so when you get that all mixed up like that, then you take, again, an aged balsamic vinegar.
Okay.
So I use always 10 years or plus, if you want it sweeter. This is about 1/4 cup.
That's nice and thick. So no mayonnaise. This is going to be the dressing to give it some good flavor.
Yeah.
And then what's the other crunch that we got going on?
These are roasted sunflower seeds. They're hulled, of course, just the seed itself. And I don't get the salty ones, but you can. It doesn't matter if you like things saltier. And I like to put a lot of those. So I put about 3/4 cup, 1/2 cup, 3/4 cup of that.
So this is going to have loads of crunch with the celery, the carrot, the sunflower seeds. Now, how would you serve this if you were to? And would you eat this for like a nice lunch or dinner even?
Oh yeah. And I mean, I used to give this with my kids would take this to school because it's so easy to pack in a little Tupperware thing, and they love it. That was one of their favorites. So some people don't like it as dry as this. So you can always take a little bit of oil and just kind of go over the top. And that's just to your liking. It doesn't matter. It doesn't hurt it. It doesn't do anything to it. And then all we do is just take a couple leaves of a romaine, or also a great idea is to fill avocado.
Ooh, that would be delicious.
Like half an avocado, and just kind of make it look pretty. And then.
So you can do in the lunch boxes, lettuce wraps are really big, so you can do the lettuce on the side. Kids can scoop it and roll it themselves.
You can roll them up.
But this is healthy and delicious. It's going to fill you up. Really nice and light. We'll put the recipe for this on our website. If you want to find out all the specials and neat things going on at Weiler Academy, all the classes, the website is the best way to do it?
Yeah, WeilerAcademy.com.
Thanks so much, Carlin.
Thank you.
We'll be back. Stay with us.